What's up, you guys? It's your boy Kid Blaze. You guys, sorry I had to do another video because I showed my code in the previous video and I don't want you guys using that. But as you guys can see, I already opened the PlayStation. Beautiful, shiny PS4, you guys, with the Spider-Man logo. Spider-Man game right here, you guys. Only on PS4. Minimum 45 gigs. Look at that beautiful artwork on the back, you guys. And of course, you have all that stuff. And the most important part, you guys, is all your cords, your HDMI, your controller, everything. Of course, you got your PS4 input, your power cord. You got your PS4 charging controller. I'm sorry for the mess you guys see. And then, of course, you got your HDMI cord, your crappy PS4 headphones that they give you, and then you have, that is pretty neat, it's red and white, and then you got your Spider-Man red and white PS4 controller, you guys. So yeah, so if y'all like this, you guys, make sure y'all drop that like, and I'll probably be streaming some Spider-Man. So, as always, you guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.